Good morning class. Welcome to your which class students? This class is your SST class. And today date is 17 December 2020. The chapter is chapter 14. This chapter is going on now. Chapter 14. Our forest and wildlife. Wildlife. This is your chapter. Today we are going now to complete the book exercise of this chapter. Why? Because your explanation is done now. What is forest? How many types of forest? Conservation of forest. After that, wildlife. What is wildlife? Okay, these all topics are covering now in previous video. Okay, then today's class is based on the book exercise of this chapter. So everyone students, first open your book exercise. Open your book, page number 88, and ready with your pencil. Okay, page number 88. Today we are completing now in this video the whole book exercise of this chapter. Okay students, so be careful for that, and everyone complete now the whole book exercise in your book with pencil. Everyone open page number 88. Yes, okay, very good. In your book, look at here everyone. In your book, look at here everyone. Here is the first exercise. This is tick the correct option. Look at here, this one. Okay, first all of you mention now today's date is here. The date is 17/12/2020. After that, all of you complete now this exercise with me. Okay, I am right now the answer only board. I am not writing the question answers. Okay, then I am start here. First question is question number 1. Take the correct option. This is take the correct options. Okay. First question is take the correct options. First is, according to a book, there are dash types of forests in India. The options are A2, B3, C5. Which one is right? The right answer is C. 5 types of forest, no? That's why C option is here. Right. Everyone mention now in your book C. Question number 2. Ebony is found in which type of forest? A. Thorny forest. B. Deciduous forest. C. Evergreen forest. Ebony is a type of tree and it is found in evergreen forest. So, which one is right? C option. Okay? Evergreen. Evergreen forest. So, everyone take the correct option is this option and you take now this type of. Okay? Then move to the question number 3 is here. The dash forests are called Sundarbans. Options are here. A. Evergreen. B. Thorny. C. Tidal forest. The right option is C also here. The Sundarban are called also tidal forest. Okay. And where it is situated? Both forests are situated in Ganga and Brahmaputra deltas. Okay. So So your right answer is that is tidal forest. The option is C. Tidal, and you have to put here right option. Okay, number 4 is here. Number 4, and it is famous for Royal Bengal tiger. Yes, na? Yes. Then Jim Corbett National Park is situated in which state? Option A, Gujarat, B, Uttarakhand, and C, Assam. Jim National Corbett Park is situated in Uttarakhand. Here is B option. Right. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. And you have to put now in front of this option. Okay. Then after that B option. That is true false. T for true and F for false. Okay. I mention here in only short. First is the deltas of Ganga and Brahmaputra in Bengal have thorny forest. No, just I told you that is famous for tidal forest, and it is also called Sundarban forest. That's why this sentence is false. So first answer is false. Everyone mention now. Then question number 2 is here. Question number 2, according to your book, the Sundarbans are the home of famous Royal Bengal tiger. Yes, the Sundarban and the tidal forest, or both are same. Sundarbans, if there is Sundarbans, if there is tidal forest, both are same. Are the home of famous Royal Bengal tiger. It is a true. So second answer is true. So everyone mention now here true. Next is third. An elephant is killed for its ivory tusk. Yes, this sentence is true. And many hunters sell it for their profit. Number 4. Thorny forests are found in the Gujarat. No, thorny forests are found in which state? That is Rajasthan. So that's why this sentence is here false. Okay, number 5 is here. I mentioned now teak, sal and shisham. These are the varieties of trees, okay, are found in the deciduous forest. These are the varieties of trees and it is found in the deciduous forest. Yes, that's why this sentence is true. Okay. Hope all of you completed now these 2 questions in your book. There is no problem. After that, question answer. This time, this work is leave it. In next class, we will discuss this question answer. Then move to the question number D. Question number D is match the following. I mention now the only answers. Question number D. Question number D is match it. According to your book, this is A column, this is B column. Okay. The Jim National Corbett Park, where it is situated? Tell me student, it is situated in Uttarakhand. So everyone mention now number 1 B. Then second is Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga is national park. It is Kaziranga National Park is famous for rhino and it is situated in Assam. So the right option is here E. Number 3 Gir. Gir forest is Gujarat and it is famous for lion. Option is D is here right. Okay. Number 4 is Periyar National Park. It is situated in Kerala and it is famous for elephant. So right option is C is here. Okay. Then number 5 is Sundarban. Sundarban is famous for Royal Bengal tiger. That's why A option is here right. Okay. Everyone complete now this thing, this type of. Okay, in your book. Only mention now in your book is here only numbers. Don't do zigzag type of lines. Only you have to mention out this type of numbers only. Okay. Your work should be neatly. Okay, students? Okay. Then move to the question number is E. Question E. Question number E is here. Name the following. Here I mention now only answers. Name the following. Okay. First is answer number 1 is answer number 1. It is very easy question. There are three types of there are three trees that grow in the evergreen forest. Only you have to write now the names. Three varieties of trees. First is Aboni, Mahogany. Second is Mahogany, and third one is Rosewood. These are the varieties of trees that are found in the evergreen forest. Then after that answer number 2 is here. Three trees that grow in the deciduous forest. That are here is teak, sal, and shisham. And these trees are is famous for to making furniture. This wood is very hard wood and it is used in making furniture, wooden furniture. Okay, shisham. Then answer number 3. Three trees of the coniferous forest. That is answer number 3 is pine, silver fir, mostly in this coniferous forest are the trees shape is in cone shape now, and devdar also. Devdar. This word is A. Here is A. Okay. This question number is completed now. After that, I will discuss you the activity. This activity in your book. Look at here, everyone. Here I am told now, and all of you mention now this activity with pencil in your book. Okay. This activity. So everyone is student ready for it. And you do this activity in your copy also. What are you doing now? You have to take now one Indian political map, and you show now the all states for different colors. Just I tell you here. I am going to tell you. On a map of India, mark the following wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, what are you doing now? First, Gir Forest. It is situated in Gujarat. You mention now here Gujarat. Okay. First. Okay. Then second is Periyar. Periyar. You mention now here is Kerala. I mention now in your book is here. Kerala. And it is famous for elephants also. And Gujarat, Gir Forest is famous for lion. Here mention now lion. Then third is Corbett National Park. Here you mention now Uttarakhand. Which state? Uttarakhand. And Kaziranga National Park is found in Assam. You mention now in front of this. And it is famous for rhino. And how you fill now these states? So everyone look at here in your book. 4 parks you show now in your map. Here is the Gujarat, this part. Here is a picture of lion. Look at here everyone. This part is Gujarat and it is famous for lion. Okay, it is a Gir forest. Here is a Periyar. Look at here. Look at here in your book. It is a Periyar and here is also Assam, and both rhino and the elephant are the found in this park. Okay, and after that Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is here. Corbett National Gym Park. Here is a picture of tiger. Look at here. And in this national park, there are too much animals are found. Okay. So you all of you shredded now this part. Understand how do you complete your work? In map activity, first you complete now this type of your map activity. After that, you all of you paste now that activity in your copy. Understand, students? Yes. After that, this G activity. Then this activity no need for completing now. Okay. So leave that. Then after that, number H in your book. First, paste the picture of animal for which these centuries are famous. Here is Gir forest. Gir forest. Gir forest is famous for which animal? Lion. If you have picture, then you paste it. If you have no picture, then only you mention now here lion. And which state? Gujarat. Okay, only mention now the name. Here is Gir forest is where in which state? Gujarat, or write the animal name. Okay, only lion. Second is Periyar. Periyar in which state? Just I told you. Periyar in Kerala. Periyar in Kerala, and it is famous for elephant. Corbett National Park, it is situated in Uttarakhand, you mention now, and here mention now some animals name. Okay. Next, last is Kaziranga. Kaziranga National Park is Assam. Here you mention now Assam, and here mention now for rhino. Okay. If you have picture, then you paste it. If you have no, if you have picture rhino, if you have student pictures, some pictures these animals, then you paste it. If you have no pictures, then don't panic. Okay, just you have to write now their names also and their states also. Okay. Okay, and students, this is your homework, life skill questions, and you read this paragraph also. Okay, and this is the homework. Hopefully you all of you completed. Here is only read these sentences only, and your answer is here yes and no. If there is any problem, then you ask me. Okay, hopefully all of you done now these things very well. Okay, today's class is enough for that. If there is any problem, any queries, then you can ask me regarding your activity. Okay, thanks.